Welcome to this video on describing the rooms in your home in English. Let's dive right in. First up is the living room. This is often the heart of the home, where families gather and relax. When describing your living room, you might say, "My living room is spacious and bright." You can mention the furniture, like there's a comfortable sofa and a large coffee table. Don't forget to add details about decorations. I have a beautiful painting on the wall and some plants in the corners. Now, let's practice. How would you describe your living room? Think about the colors, the furniture, and any special items you have. Next, let's move to the kitchen. This is where the magic happens. You could say, "My kitchen is modern and well equipped." Describe the appliances. I have a stainless steel refrigerator and a gas stove. You might also want to mention the layout. There's an island in the middle with bar stools around it. Now, it's your turn. How would you describe your kitchen? Focus on what makes it unique, whether it's the style, the colors, or your favorite cooking gadgets. Now, let's talk about the bedroom. This is your personal sanctuary. You might say, "My bedroom is cozy and inviting." Describe the bed. I have a king-sized bed with fluffy pillows. You can also mention the atmosphere. The walls are painted a calming blue, and there's a soft rug on the floor. Take a moment to think about your bedroom. How would you describe it? Consider the colors, the furniture, and any personal touches you've added. Finally, we arrive at the bathroom. This space can be both functional and relaxing. You might say, "My bathroom is clean and organized." Describe the fixtures. I have a large bathtub and a modern shower. You can also mention the decor. There are candles on the shelf and a beautiful mirror above the sink. Now, think about your bathroom. How would you describe it? Focus on the features that make it a comfortable space for you. As you practice describing these rooms, remember to use adjectives that convey your feelings about each space. This will make your descriptions more vivid and engaging. Now, let's recap. We've covered the living room, kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom. Each room has its own unique features and atmosphere. The key is to think about what makes each space special to you and to express that in your descriptions. Take a moment to write down your thoughts about each room. This will help you practice your English and improve your descriptive skills. Happy describing!